In this video, I'm going to show you the other grand tactics of making money with microworkers. And if you use this method well, you're going to be at the point of making over $500 a day, or 2 days, 3 days, or maximum 7 days. But that's going to be your preference. All I need to do is to pay attention to this video so that you don't miss out on any step. If you miss a step, you're not going to make any money. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. And in case if you don't know how Microworker works, Microworker is an international online platform that connects employers and workers from all around the world. These employers have some tasks that want to be carried out, and these tasks can either be liking Facebook posts, following people online, subscribing to YouTube channel, and all other micro tasks. And a person like you and me who are looking for ways to make money online are going to be doing all the tasks, and at the end of the day, we're going to be making money. Okay? That is basically how it works. But don't worry, in this video, like I said before, I'm going to show you the underground tactics that we are going to be utilizing to be making over $500. Alright, so just stick around and follow the whole step. Now that we know how it works, what we're going to do is to go ahead and create our accounts. To do that, you're going to hit on this button and say register. Okay, then you're going to be on this page. You're going to have this long form to fill out. It's basically self-explained. Alright, what you need to do is to put in your first name right here. Your middle name is optional, but if you want to put in your middle name, you can also do that, but it's optional. Put in your last name and come to this other side and select your gender. If you are male, put male. If you are a female, put female. Alright. And the company is optional. You don't need to do this, okay? And your date of birth, you're going to write it here, put in your email address, and create a specific password. And once you've done that, you're going to write your correct address. And this very line, you're going to put your zip code. Like if you don't know what's your zip code, go to Google and write your city name, then type zip code. It's going to pop up, then you're going to write it here. Write the name of your city and select your state. And at the end, you're going to select your country of residence, all right? I would advise you to leave all of this blank like this, and come to this place where it says, by registering, you confirm that you accept the terms of use, okay? Just click on that button and hit on submit. That is how it is, very simple. They're going to send you email for verification. And once you confirm your email address, you're going to be on the dashboard just like this, okay? Now, I'm going to show you the two methods of making money with microworkers. The first one is going to be the traditional method, okay? And the money that we make from the traditional method, we are going to be using that money to make more money, okay? Doing that, we're going to be creating a campaign with the same money that we are going to be making. All right. And doing that, we're going to be making more money, over $500, like I said earlier in the video. Okay. So first thing, let's do the traditional method. All right. Now, to make money with the traditional method, the first thing you need to do is to come over here and hit on most paying. All right. Once you hit on this most paying, then the whole jobs that are here are going to be jobs with high amount. Okay. You can see some of the payouts are $7, $4, $4, $3. These are money that the employers are going to be paying you when you carry out the task. Okay. But that's not all. You're going to come over here. Any job that you want to select must have at least 100% success rate, or at least 90 something. Okay, if it's not 90 something or 100, that job, it will be so difficult for you to carry it out. Okay, what you are going to be looking for again is the time to rate. Okay, the time to rate should be something more than 7 days. More than 7 days is going to be too long. Okay, because we just want these people to accept our work. The very first work here that is going to pay you $7 has 62% success rate, and the time to rate is 21. This type of job is a scam, okay? Since it has 62%, it means people that are doing it are not being successful doing this job. And apart from that, it's going to take 21 days to rate this work. I know at times it might be less than 21 days. But the maximum is going to be 21 days, meaning you can't do this type of work. I won't advise you to go over this type of work, okay? And this very second one is going to pay you $4, and the success rate is 100%. It means any people that are doing it are being successful, and the highest time to rate is going to be 7 days. This type of job is a good job, okay? What you want to do, since you find something that interests you, you're going to click on the job to see what it's all about. All right. Then you're going to come over here to see what the job is all about. Okay. First, you have to check the country, and note that most of the jobs that are going to be on your dashboard are going to be tailored to where you live. Okay. If you live in a place like America, most of the jobs you see is going to be from US and Western. Okay. But even if you live in Asia or Africa, you are still going to be seeing all of these jobs. Just that on your dashboard, most of the jobs are going to be jobs that are related to you. Okay. This very task is telling us to go to this link right here. Okay, and once we go there, we're going to create our account and verify our identity. That's all. Okay, what you want to do is to first copy the link. Okay, when you copy the link, go to another tab. You're going to paste the link there. All right, then this is the website. They just want you to create your account here. And this type of job is very easy. Just for you to create your account on this particular website. What you want to do, you're going to hit on sign up, right in the country where you live in. It's just normal way of creating your account, okay? But for the sake of, I don't want this video to be too long, I'm not going to go over to the whole process of creating the account, all right? Note that the money that we are making, we are going to be using that money to be making more money, like I said earlier in the video, okay? Currently, my account, I have just $10, all right? So the type of job you want to be doing are these high-paying jobs, okay? All these high-paying jobs. But if you want to be over-specific, all right? If you want to be over-specific, if you don't this, what you need to do is to come over here and select social media, okay? I believe this is the simplest one that you can do on this website. And most of the job here are for Twitter. This one just wants you to follow, retweet, or like, then take a screenshot. That's all. This one is Facebook, just for you to invite friends. This one is Facebook, share, like, comment. Then they are going to be paying all of this. Okay, and once you make some amount of money, I just leave this here for the sake of this video, something more than $10. Okay, then we are going to go over to the step 2 of this video of making extra more money. Okay, if you are finding this video interesting so far, I want you to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload any video just like this, you will always be the first person to be notified. Thank you. Now, the step 2 method of this video, which is the main purpose of this video, is to go over to this website that is called cashsuperstar.com. Okay, this particular website is willing to pay you $1.50 each time you make a person to sign in to this particular website. And that's the reason why I call the second method to be the campaign method. What we are going to be doing, if these people are willing to pay you $1.50 per person, and we happen to have at least 500 people to sign into this website, at the end of the day, you're going to be making $750, guys. Okay? What you need to do is to go down to the bottom of the website. Then you're going to come over to this place where it says apply below. Okay, you're going to create your account on this particular website. It's basically self-explained, but the main thing that I want to emphasize more is this very one here that said, what traffic sources or method will you use to promote? Then they're going to ask you, where will your visitor come from? You're going to write from my email list. Do what I'm telling you. These are the things that will make your application to be approved. Okay, write from my email list. Then they're going to ask you, do you have a list? Now you understand what I'm saying. How big is your personal subscribing mailing list? You're going to write like over 10K, over 10,000, okay? Obviously, they're going to believe on what you said because they will never have an access to your mailing list, okay? And here, they're going to ask you to enter a link to your mail website. What you want to do is to go to Google, type any topic that are related to make money online, okay? So any of the website that show, come over here and paste it. What they need to do is just to browse through the website for verification. They don't need to ask you any other question again, just to browse through the website. And if you make all these things to be in line, at the end of the day, your application is going to be approved. And once approved, you're going to come to Microworkers. And now once you return to Microworkers, what you're going to do is to create a campaign. And to create a campaign, you're going to hit on this button and say, create TTV campaign, okay? Because this is going to help you to make even more money, okay? And at the end of the day, you are not spending any money. You're going to first put in the time to make some money here, okay? Once you hit on new campaign, come over here where it says start a new basic campaign, okay? Once you click on the button, you're going to be on this page just like this. The template type, just leave it like this. Use the internal template, okay? Then they're going to ask you of the country. In case if you don't know the name of this website, it's called cashsuperstar.com. Okay, if you come over here, you will see that they are asking you of people who lives in United States, Canada, UK, Australia, New Zealand. Okay, and for that, you're going to come over here. You're going to choose USA and Western. Okay, and these are the country that was asked from you. Okay, you're going to check the whole country just like this. Okay, and once you done that, come over to where it says category for your campaign. Choose obtain simple. It's already here. Okay, then here they're going to ask you to choose a template. What you want to do is to go over to sign up. Okay, search for sign up. You're going to have it sign up just like that. Okay, now this page is going to determine how much you are willing to make. Okay, here automatically they will write 10 minutes. That is going to be the time for them to finish the task. Okay, you shouldn't bother about that one. And remember, for us to make over 750, we are going to need over 500 people. All right, you're going to write the 500. These 500 people are going to make you over $750. Okay, but don't worry, that's not all. You need to understand everything. All right, then this very one that said is paid, I would advise you, make it 100, make it natural, okay? For them not to suspect you, make it natural 100. 1,000 is going to be full fast. Those people are going to create an account in just 2 hours if you make it 1,000, in just 2 hours. But if you make it 100, it's going to take like a day, 2 days before the system can show it to every other person, all right? So making it 100 is going to make it slow down. Okay, for the title, you're going to write anything according to your preference. All right, and now on this page, they're going to ask you for the instructions. These two are automatic that say all the questions are required. Please read all the questions carefully before submitting details. Just leave this as it is. Then you're going to add yours. Okay, read everything here. You're going to understand it because doing this, you are spending money. So first, I would like you to read everything here for you to understand it. If you don't understand anything here, there's no point of you creating this account. Okay, without so you're going to waste your money. Understand what is written here, then you can come over here. If you don't understand it, don't create an account. That is the advice I'm going to give you. Okay, if you read everything, it means you want to put in the work because it involves your money. If you read what is written here, you're going to understand all the instructions. You're going to write the same instructions here. Okay, then you're going to paste your link. All right, and once you know that, you're going to come over here where it says time to rate. Leave it at 7 days, or if you want it to be more fast, you can say 2 days or even a day. It all depends on you. Okay. And this place that says task rating option, if you choose employer rate only, it means you are going to be the person who is going to approve the whole jobs. Okay. Then you're going to click create campaign and continue. All right. And once you've done that, leave this the way it is and hit on preview and confirm. That's how your campaign is going to be created. Okay. If you don't want to first of all make money with the traditional way, okay, maybe you are the type of person that don't like stress. What you want to do is to come over here and say deposit. You can deposit any amount that you like. Okay. Once you deposit the money, there's no need of doing other jobs. Once you deposit the money, you can come over to create TV campaign and still create the same thing that I'll show you. Create the same campaign and you're still going to be making the same money. It's going to depend how many people that you need for your job. The more people you are willing to pay, the more money you're going to be making. Okay. But first of all, like I said, make sure you understand everything here. If you can read it and understand, then you understand what you need to do here. Okay? I should to emphasize more on this, but rather we emphasize more on this because here you're going to be paying people to do these things. Okay? So guys, if you watch this video to this point, I do appreciate your effort. I want after this video, you should go out there and try this method. Okay? If you feel like you don't want to do it this way, you want to make money with different way, you can click on this video right here or even this playlist right here. It's going to show you different ways and different strategies of making money online. So see you next time with another video again on how to stay at home and make money online. Cheers. Peace out.